Welcome to our 2024 Singapore walking tour. This time we're going to Kampong Glam. We're still walking the streets of Singapore. I'm not sure where we're going. I'm just following them wherever they're going. Thought we were gonna go into the shopping mall, but guess not. That's a nice looking statue there. Okay. We are in the Arab street. I guess that's why there's Aladdin's clearance sale over there. Sultan, oh, there's a mosque. Where are we?
This is the Kampong Glam.
The Kampong Glam. Oh, there it is. This is the Kampong Glam. Huh. And there's a mosque over there. Kampong Glam. We are in Kampong Glam, walking with the rest of the tourists. Very busy street. Must be popular among tourists. And here is a mosque. This is a mosque, huh? Sultan. Oh, yeah, Sultan Mosque. It must be. Lots of shops. Shops.
This is a new fair.
We are following. Look at all this. Kampong Glam. Turn around. Oh yeah, there's the mosque. Okay. I was taking videos, but it was not on. Okay, here's the Kampong Glam.
Turkish and Lebanese food for you, sir. You want to take a look first? Some hummus, falafel, halloumikis, pizza, pasta. Ready?
$5. Lepak Sultan. What is this? Secret Garden. Appetizer. Set lunch.
Pastries there. You want there?
Secret Garden. Oh yeah, that looks promising. The Secret Garden. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, we can have a snack now. We can have a snack now.
Okay. Or waffles on. I think this one looks.
It's the same one.
Oh yeah, one of those.
Iya. Kalau mau yang dapat-dapat.
Tiramisu. Ooh.
Bulgarian chocolate.
Are you interested in trying
And
durian chocolate? Did we go? We don't like shopping. I think we bought a couple of. We bought a couple of T-shirts somewhere. Kuala Lumpur, I think. Murals here in this alley where they have outdoor dining. What happens when it rains? So we're going through this alley here. Outdoor dining and also a lot of people walking the way. Nice murals here. And so here, let me through. Yeah, Tina. I hope okay, now it's playing and it's recording. Earlier it wasn't. Art should comfort the disturbed and disturb the comfortable. Sure. That always works. Smells like the pizza around here. Turn left, Black Sheep Company. We're still walking around the streets of Singapore. What is this thing here? Looks like a bird sculpture. Some phoenix palm over there. Interesting. Other art. Over there. Oh, there's some sculptures here. Wonder what this. There's no explanation of any kind. What is this? Oh, I like that waterfall. How about the fat lady? Oh, and there's a snail down there. Let's do a selfie. Look at this sculpture here of people stacked up. And oh, a snail with a woman's head down there. And this one is the fat lady. Looks like an English fat lady or something. This one looks a little creepy to me. Like a snail with a woman's head attached to it. I think I was playing earlier when I was doing this. Aha. I like this waterfalls here. Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing now?
Well, we're just touristing about.
Just walking around different places we find. Let's go. This sculpture here is called the Dressed Woman, not Fat Woman. I think someone wants to go shopping. Yeah. Do you find anything you like? Go. Oh, it's Johnny Depp. With,
That was his picture.
I know, I saw. With very messy hair. Chanel. We're back here, the Bugis Junction. And seems to be... Is that from the water fountain or is it really raining? I think it's raining, huh?
Children play there.
Yeah, I know, but is it raining or is it coming from that?
It's raining.
It's raining.
When I come to
Oh, I like that building right there. That pink building. Very skinny. We are here at Kinokuniya books. So, which when translated in Tagalog is what? Kinoko means you used your fingernails. He used his fingernails, kinokuniya.
Para pagbalik
we're gonna
natin,
cross.
mag-ilaw na siya. Mas maganda pag mag-ilaw siya.
We're gonna cross Bugis Street and look for some souvenirs.
3 for 10.
3 for 10. No photos? Why is it so cheap? Oh yeah? They don't know that's 3 for 10, huh? Here's Irvin's potato chips. We are getting some refreshing drinks here. Sugarcane and lychee. What do you have there?
I got sugarcane drink and lychee drink.
Ah, what do you think of the sugarcane? Tastes like sugar.
But it doesn't have a strong taste.
How about the lychee?
It has a much stronger taste.
Okay.
I like it.
It seems like we're still near the Little India, because I see Bollywood and Indian cuisine. And live performances.